The shoulder. It's the body's most complex joint, and when it's injured, pain is constant, sleep is impossible, and finding comfortable, consistent cold therapy is a daily struggle. You need the Breg Polar Care Kodiak system, designed to deliver targeted, superior cold therapy where your shoulder needs it most. The core of this system is the Intelli-Flo Shoulder Pad. It's engineered to contour perfectly to the joint, providing cooling that stays put. No more holding ice in place. The pad provides clean and steady support. The Kodiak system features revolutionary Intelli-Flo technology. This built-in regulator ensures your therapy maintains the ideal therapeutic temperature for sensitive shoulder tissue. This means predictable, powerful pain relief that lasts up to 8 hours per fill. The Kodiak's compact, lightweight design makes it highly portable and ideal for home use. And for maximum freedom, the unit is battery-ready to continue therapy on the go. The Kodiak helps support an effective recovery program, potentially reducing your reliance on pain medication and helping you reclaim your range of motion faster. Order the Breg Polar Care Kodiak with the Intelli-Flo Shoulder Pad today.